Nidhi of class G30F. Today I am here to tell you about an important topic. It is finance. What is meant by finance? Finance means a simple meaning is how we spend, how we save, how we earn and how we invest wisely. Let me give an example of this topic. Suppose take a doctor who is earning 4 lakhs per month, which is 50 lakhs per year, and take a nurse who is earning 40,000 per month, which is 5 lakhs per year. Take the doctor who is earning 4 lakhs. We all think that doctor is richest, but it is not necessary, because the doctor who is earning 50 lakhs per year, which is 4 lakhs per month, if he wants to take a if you want to live a luxurious life by taking big house and a luxurious car, he needs more money. So to buy that, he'll give some money by his own savings and some money by loans or EMIs. So because he is rich, even the bankers will give him access to the credit cards or the loans easily. So he may even fall in the debt trap. Now take the nurse who is earning 40,000 per month, which is 5 lakhs per year. Means if she is living the modest life, where she only spends 30,000 per month, which means she saves 10,000 per month. If she keeps the 10,000 per month in an investment of 10% of compounding interest, for 10 years she'll get 5 lakhs. And if she continues the same thing for the compound interest of 10% of 20 years, she'll get 75 lakhs. And if she starts continuing like that for 40 years, she'll get 7 crores. So, if she is investing like that, she can earn more and she can spend how much she wants. But the doctor who is having the debt traps cannot have his salary with him and savings also with him. So the concept which we have to know is, do not spend more than what we are earning. Invest in early times and invest for long duration. Do not buy with leverages, which means that do not buy with debt and loans. Thank you.
Claps.